All right, let's turn to Intel now. The shares are surging this morning after an earnings beat, very solid guidance. Joining us now, Dan Niles, founder of Niles Investment Management. Dan, I don't know if you got the memo. It's not about the GPU. It's all about the CPU. And all I got to say to support that is look at Intel stock, not to mention AMD, Qualcomm, ARM. They're all up double digits this morning. Do you believe this story? Does it make sense to you as to how in demand the CPU is and what that demand will look like going forward?
Well, given I wrote a piece on this in late March saying how the CPU was going to be more important and Intel was our biggest position by far at one point in early April, yeah, I would say I'm a believer. And I think if you think about it just simply, when you had training, you're doing the same thing over and over again, right, as you're building these matrices. And when you then went to inference last year, again, it's somewhat repetitive in that you're trying to predict the next word. When you go to agentic and you say, hey, go to CNBC and pull this data, go to the SEC website and pull this data, go to Twitter, pull this other data, and then create a spreadsheet for me. That means you have to do a lot of different things, and you need an orchestration engine, and that is the CPU. And if you think about the timeline for that, Claudebot came out really end of November of last year. That got formalized into OpenClaw on January 30th. And so you're only a few months into this agentic stuff. And so you should see very strong demand, at least I think for the next year, as corporations put more agentic workflows in, because it hasn't been around that long.
Yeah. All right. So here we are at the beginning of the agentic age, and clearly we can see there's a demand for CPUs that perhaps you foresaw, but many other investors may not have. Do you want to own an Intel even here at this level, and or any of the other names that are obviously contributing to the manufacture of CPUs for the data center?
Well, it depends. If you're talking about for the next week, I mean, look at the run this thing has had. So, am I a better seller given I had, a different view at the end of March? At the end of March, this was a no-brainer. Now you go, the stock's doubled. And so that's different. But if you're talking about 12 months from now, yeah, as I said earlier, you're at the beginning of this. And so this is kind of like the debate over GPUs at the beginning of 2023 and, how big was this training thing going to be? I think you're sort of at a similar phase right now where CPUs, which really were given up for dead because you needed GPUs, not CPUs, when AI started. Now the CPU goes from like 8-to-1 under inference in terms of the ratio of GPUs at 8 and CPUs at 1 to something closer to, let's say, 4-to-1. It's still terrible, but it's way better. It's double from where it was before. And let's face it, like Intel's been a dead stock for, a decade or so. So it'll take a while for sentiment to change and for people to get, really buy into this. And Intel obviously is ridiculously expensive based on where the numbers are today, just like NVIDIA was, let's say, three or 4 years ago. But I think that will change because the numbers will continue to go up over the course of this next year.